Now, here's the problem. What happened to that override? Was it captured? Did anything in your system record what just happened, why it happened, and what the outcome was? Or did it just disappear into a closed deal in the CRM, undistinguishable from every other renewal? In most companies, it disappears. The decision that contained the most valuable intelligence your organization produced that week looks exactly the same as every routine transaction around it. That's a symptom of the signal to noise problem. It's fast, it's consistent, it's technically flawless, and just eliminated the one moment where your institutional knowledge was being applied. What's missing is the decision trace. When the operator overrides the AI with informed institutional knowledge, that's a decision trace.